Hi Rohit, Rohit, can we start now?
Rohit,
Company and till now I have worked with more than 3 to 4 startups and one a very big brand from USA. So basically I majorly work into the social media category of these companies. So my work is just to strategize ki which type of content will be uploaded on their socials or on their Instagram account or Facebook account. So the thinking part is the work. And in today's session, we will learn about the major thing which is very important for Instagram reel growth. I hope you will love the session. Also, if you have any question, just write it in the central room chats. As soon as I end the session in the next 20 to 30 minutes, I'll answer every doubt and every question. And if you have any problem in audio issues, just let me know. So let's start the session. So welcome everyone to the Instagram Reel Growth Strategy with me. And without any delay, let's start the presentation. So in today's presentation, or I should say session, you will be learning majorly five things. Number one, what is Instagram Reels? Because a lot of people don't know that what is Instagram Reels because uh, after the end, or I should say the ban of TikTok in India, majorly people drifted to a lot of social media platforms, and it includes Bolo India, MX Takatak. People went to a lot more apps such as Josh. So the distribution of creators went in a very wild way. And at that moment, Instagram introduced Instagram Reels. So we will be discussing about what is Instagram Reels. Number two, we will be discussing about the Reels algorithm and how Reels work and how can you get the most out of it. We will be learning about what type of content you can upload on Instagram Reels because you know that there's no end to a category of a content, but what type of content you can upload to make it viral. Also, I will be telling you growth hacks for Reels. I will be telling you best time to upload. And at the end of the slide, I have something bonus for you. So make sure that you watch the full session to get the most out of it. Also, guys, I want your 100% attention for the next 10 to 20 minutes because I'll be explaining a lot of things and I need your focus. So let's start the session. So basically, what is Instagram Reels? So Instagram Reels invites you to create fun videos to share with your friends or anyone on Instagram. Record and edit 15 seconds multi-clip videos with audio, which is now 30 seconds as far as I know. and basically it's the second version of TikTok, if I'm not wrong. So now let's dig into a deeper thing. So what does real algorithm work, or how does real algorithm work? So basically Instagram Reels is a very new feature. So Instagram almost pushes every single video which gets uploaded on Instagram. By this I mean that Instagram uploads all the videos majorly into every niche or every category except those videos which are not fit for the majority of audience. So let's keep that aside, but majority of videos get one push at least from Instagram. So even if you are uploading one reel of on your account and you are having 100 followers, you may get lakhs of views if people start watching it. So let's just get started. So how does this algorithm works? So basically you shoot a reel and upload it. This is the number one step that everyone does. Now, after 1 hour or 30 minutes, Instagram pushes your content. This is a very vital part of this process because almost every content is pushed by Instagram, as I said earlier. And here is the catch. So basically, most of the people upload videos of less quality. So basically, if you upload videos of high quality, there are high chances of you getting more views in thousands or lakhs. I will be discussing this in detail after 10 minutes. So basically, this is the second process, and the last thing is that you get the views, comments, shares, and followers. So now let's start the real talk, which is the session and the major topic of the session. So the biggest question is what you can upload on Instagram. There's a lot of categories in micro video content, or I should say reel content, but there are only a few categories which work on Instagram Reels. So there are a huge amount of content categories. Like you can upload cooking videos, you can upload animation, you can upload music videos, you can upload short comedy videos. Like there are n number of categories, but there are only some categories which are pushed by Instagram, and people also like watching those. So I'll tell you in detail that what are the categories which will help you to grow on Instagram. Number one is serious educational content. Now, you must have seen a lot of inspirational people, or I should say, those people who have achieved something in their life, coming onto Reels and telling about what their life experiences were, or how did they learn, what were their mistakes. Some of the very renowned examples would be Gary Vee. Some of the Indian examples would be Deepak Parikh or Divyanshu Damani. So basically, those people who have achieved at least 10% of their life goals, they can come onto Instagram Reels, just open their Instagram Reels camera and tell about their experiences, their knowledge, and you can learn a lot of things. So basically, this thing is also present on LinkedIn, but people are not interested to write long posts. And here comes this to the savior. Instagram Reels will be helping a startup, a founder, or a CEO of a very big company to get that face value that he or she hasn't got till date. The next thing is regular news. Now, this is one of the most easiest thing that you can do on Instagram Reels. So basically, you just have to turn on your video and say 3 to 4 news which is related to the recent things. Obviously, you can't tell old news after 2 to 3 days, but you should pick up the trend. Like yesterday, I was reading about Elon Musk stocks rising by so much that he surpassed Bill Gates. So you need to be fast enough to make a video on this and just upload it on Reels. People will be sharing this because people don't like sharing static posts. Instead, they will be sharing your Reels. One of the biggest example for regular news Reels is Raj Shamani. Here we move to the next type of content. The next thing is dance or lip sync content. So basically, this is the normal TikTok type video, nothing special about it. So you can go for this, but I would prefer that if you want to make a personal brand strong enough to hold your back for years, do not do dance or lip sync videos because this may give you a lot of followers for today, but this is not beneficial for you for a longer duration of time. And the major thing of this session is funny or relatable content. So this is the major part of Instagram growth reel strategy. You can grow in the fastest way by making content in this category. So basically you can make any type of comedy, any relatable content which you think that you did in your school, at your home, or your mom said to you, or your dad said to you. Maybe it can be from any meme that you have read. It can be anything. It just has to be funny so that people can share it. And Instagram works a lot on sharing. And here we come to the last thing, which is talent videos. So if you have any talent, like you are a national level dancer, or a national level gymnast, or a national level cyclist, so you can just make a video out of it and you will definitely get featured by Instagram team. So for this type of category, which is talent video category, you will not have to do anything which is like getting shares or anything else. So here we move to our next part, which is how you can grow. So this is one of the most important part of this session. I want you all to have 100% focus on this slide. So basically, there are only two ways in which you can get views and engagement. Now engagement includes shares, comments, and followers. These are the three things for which any creator uploads on Instagram reel or just on Instagram. Now I will explain you in the next slide about the two ways. Okay, so here we have at the left directly via Instagram push. So basically most of the videos which get lakhs of views are directly promoted by Instagram's push. So what is Instagram's push? I'll tell you. Instagram almost pushes every single reel that is getting uploaded. It shows it to almost 10,000 to 20,000 people. And if people stay to that video for just 5 seconds, the starting 5 seconds, it will start recommending those videos to more and more people. And thus you can get lakhs or millions of views via direct push Instagram. Now we come to the second thing, which is a very serious thing. So I want your full focus on this, which is Instagram push plus good number of shares. Now I'll tell you, how did I get so many views on Instagram Reels? So basically, I also get a direct Instagram push, but I do not get so many views from the Instagram push. So how do I get so many views? I'll tell you. I make comedy videos, plus those videos are relatable. So these videos people also relate, and they will definitely put that video to their Instagram stories. And definitely via their Instagram stories, you will get likes, you will get views, you will get comments, and definitely Instagram will also understand that this video is having something, and Instagram again pushes that video once again in the next 24 hours of the upload of the video. So I would strongly recommend you all that do not be relied on directly pushed by Instagram. Try to make a content which will also get a good number of shares plus Instagram push. So in this way you can grow at a very steady pitch, and you will not have to cry for that one single Instagram push so that you can get followers or likes or anything. Just consistently upload your videos and you will definitely see the growth or anything that you want on your profile. Also, I would tell you one thing, that stop uploading static videos or feed post, anything like that, because these videos or posts have stopped getting organic reach. You will have to promote them via Instagram ads. So I would suggest you that from today, just upload, or I should say, just focus on Instagram reels. Instagram posts are good enough, but for now, if you want to grow and have a steady, or I should say a very good hold on social media, start uploading from today on Instagram reels. Next up, we have the best time to upload on Instagram Reels. So basically, a lot of people ask me that when should I upload my Instagram video. So many people, many famous people who have got famous from Instagram Reels, upload their videos in the morning. Some upload their videos in the afternoon. But I would strongly suggest you all to upload the videos in the time gap of 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time to 10 p.m. in the Indian Standard Time. Now I'll tell you why. Every social media have their own time at which most number of audience, or I should say most number of users, are active. So Instagram has the most number of users active from 8 p.m. Indian standard timing to 10 p.m. So basically in these 2 hours, if you upload even at 8:30 or 9:30, you can get a lot of views. Similarly, you can see for LinkedIn as well. LinkedIn is a place for professional people. So on that platform, you will see people being more online in the morning from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. PM. So you need to understand the importance of time. So you can also use a lot of scheduling apps. So I will not be telling you those in this session, but you can Google it. Some of them are Zapier. So you can just schedule it at night and it will automatically get uploaded on Instagram. So we'll not have to worry that I should have to go and upload it. So you can try this one as well. Now we will go to some important thing, which is tips to keep in mind while making a reel. This is one of the most important thing. So listen to me very, very carefully. So number one thing is highest video quality. I know that everyone can't afford an iPhone 11, okay? Or many people are using mi phones, or many people are just using a very mid budget or low budget smartphone. So people ask me that how do I make video quality which is of a DSLR quality. So I would say don't just run behind quality. First of all, try with the things that are present with you. Like you may be having a 7,000 rupee phone with you right now. So start uploading, but try to use the resource for the from the fullest. Don't wait for someone who will be giving you something like you take my iPhone 11 and shoot. So this is not going to happen. So you need to make sure that you use your resources with the full, yeah, that so that you use your resources with full intentions. Okay, now we go to the next point, which is confidence in your voice. This is something very important. You all are here in this session just for one thing, which is the confidence in my voice. If I would have talked like yeah, hello, yeah, so you would not have stayed for so long, right? So confidence in your voice is really very important. Like if you are delivering a video in which you are talking about how to develop confidence and your own confidence is very low, then that is not going to help. So make sure that your confidence is full. Even if you don't know about anything about that particular video, pretend that as if you know everything about it, because Instagram is all about show off. So make sure that you have that confidence so that people start believing in you. Next thing is content that everyone can relate with. I have already said that upload a type of content with which everyone can relate. Now I won't say that do or upload those things which are like just prevalent in a Punjabi family or in a Muslim family. Try to keep such type of content which would be shared by masses, not just only by Punjabis or Muslims. Try to make such type of content which would be shared by almost every person in India whoever watches your video. So take time, do the scripting, and you will see magic happening. The last thing is catch audience retention in the first 5 minutes. One of the most important thing to grow on Instagram is to catch audience attention in the first 5 seconds. Instagram reels are only 30 seconds, and people's focus on social media is already very less. Like if I see an Instagram reel 5 minutes before this session, I have already forgot about that reel. Am I right? So try to make that reel at least very interesting for the first 5 seconds so that Instagram algorithm works for you. Even if the user may like it or dislike it, Instagram will promote your video. So first 5 seconds is very important. Try to give 100% value in the first 5 seconds only. Now we go to the next slide, which is a bonus. So the Instagram session is end here. So you may drop your questions in the chat box of Central Room. And also the bonus is I am telling you a scheduling website which will make your work very easy. So basically, this is not present for Instagram, but for every other social media platform like LinkedIn, Twitter, or any other platform. You can use this website named publer.com, Publer. publer.com. So basically, publer.com will schedule your LinkedIn post, your Twitter post, your Facebook post, your Pinterest post. So basically, if I want something to be uploaded on my LinkedIn tomorrow morning, I can even write that post right now and schedule it for tomorrow morning. So even if I'm sleeping at that time, the post will automatically get uploaded. So that's the power of Publer. So this was the bonus. So if you are someone who is a social media manager or who wants to become a social media manager, this is a gold mine for you. The next thing is thank you for joining this session. And here we come to the Q&A session. You can drop your questions in the chat box and I would be happy to help you. Okay, so there are a lot of questions. So the first question is I this just me or anyone else too who face network problem whenever there's connection. Publer is free or paid? A very nice question by Anish. So basically, Publer is free for those who just want to handle their own personal accounts. So basically, if you are working for a very big company and handling like 50s or 60s of accounts, then you need to buy a paid version of Publer. But for now, it is free for those who are just limited to 5 to 6 accounts. Like if you are having a one Facebook account, one Twitter account, one Pinterest, and one LinkedIn, then you can just upload from free Publer account. There's no additional charges. And any more question if anyone wants to ask regarding Reels or Publer, you are free to ask. This session will be live for the next 2 minutes. So you can start.
Prafula,
Yeah, Harshit.
yeah, Praful, I was just basically asking you. So you already know this thing, right? Ki like I'm already like making some documenting my whole journey over this podcast. So what I've been like planning lately, right? कि मैं क्या करना चाहता कि मतलब basically convert this whole podcast into 7 pieces of micro content and schedule the this like for every day for a complete week on Instagram because I've been lately inactive on Instagram like since a long time. But मैं खुद भी reels के लिए मतलब यहाँ पे करना चाहता था कि reels वगैरह पे डालना बट
Hmm.
डू यू थिंक मतलब पॉडकास्ट को ही माइक्रो कंटेंट 7 पीसेस ऑफ माइक्रो कंटेंट में डिवाइड करके वहां पे डाल देना सही है और ईदर आई जस्ट लाइक प्रिपेयर सम लाइक एडिशनल कंटेंट फॉर रील्स मतलब एडिशनल कंटेंट इन दी सेंस कि मैं जो पॉडकास्ट में मैंने बोला है वहां पे उसको री रिकॉर्ड करूं अपने फेस के साथ में वहां पे वीडियो वगैरह ऑन करके या फिर आई जस्ट लाइक जस्ट अपलोड दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑडियो फाइल मतलब 15 सेकंड का 30 सेकंड का एक कंटेंट निकाल के उसको रील्स पे डाल दूं लाइक व्हाट डू यू थिंक लाइक विच वुड बी मोर फीजिबल
Okay, Harshil, very nice question. Actually, a lot of people have this doubt. So the thing is कि लोग रील पे क्यों आते हैं? Why do people come on Instagram Reels? To see videos that are engaging. Am I right? So if you upload an audio file, right? It can be audio visual files. You can put some graphics as well, but people
yeah
will
exactly
not.
that's what I
Yeah,
uh-huh.
yeah, but people will not watch it for the first 5 seconds, and thus it will not get views. So that's just a waste of time. So I would strongly suggest you to make like 7 to 8 videos in just one day and just keep uploading it every single day. That would be of great help.
Okay, and is there any tool like I've been using Buffer to schedule my Facebook and LinkedIn posts. So is there any something and Buffer also like allows you to like schedule Instagram posts as well. But is there something that we can directly schedule these Instagram reels and something?
No, actually, till now, Reels scheduling app or website is not present, but I feel so in the next 1 to 2 months, something would definitely be out.
Okay,
Okay.
that's amazing.
So we have a question from Sam. Growth is good, but is there any space for generous or mature content like of tech guys or meme will rule all the time? Definitely. Growth is good, but there's any space for generous or mature content. There's definitely a lot of space for mature content. Like I'll tell you, there's Divyanshu Davani, there's Deepak Parikh. These people are uploading professional content which is mature enough for the mature audience. Am I right? So there are also people who are uploading that re-uploading their tech videos from YouTube to Instagram Reels. So you can try that out as well because it is also a video. Also, meme will rule all the time. See, meme culture for Instagram Reels is going to flourish a lot. People will be sharing Instagram Reels which are of meme type, because first of all, earlier it used to be meme videos, so people were unable to share it so that other people can see that. Whereas right now people can just share that particular reel to their Instagram story, and everyone can view it in the 15 seconds, so you are not wasting anyone's 15 seconds. Am I right? They're also enjoying seeing your Instagram stories. So think about it. Also, we have a question from Rohit. What can be a good hashtag strategy for reels? Okay, so I will be dropping some of the hashtags which will work definitely for every type of reel that you upload. I will be uploading those hashtags in the central room in the next 5 to 10 minutes as soon as this session gets over. So I will be telling you some hashtags because it really affects the Instagram reel reach. I have tried it. Also, I will tell you one thing. Like if you want to make content like Gary Vee, or if you want to make content like Digital Pratik, or content like someone who makes comedy videos, so try to see what type of hashtags do they use. Okay, try to observe 3 to 4 type of creators who are in the same category in which you are uploading. Okay, see the type of hashtags they are using. Also, don't go for those people who are having a blue tick. That will not help you. Try to find those people who are in their growing stage and are growing a lot just because of reel. So that will help you a lot. You can try that out. Okay, so Kuam is saying that, yeah, that was what I was about to ask. Do the hashtags affect the Instagram reel? Definitely, definitely, bro. Like, if you search in the Instagram hashtag box about hashtag YouTube creator tips, so you will see a lot of reels as well, along with the feed post. Is real target my audience or just target random audience? See, definitely I'll tell you the answer. So basically the thing is that you cannot decide your target audience, because Instagram will push your content to random people automatically. So out of those random people, those people who will like your content will come to your profile, like your video, follow you. And if they are following you for a particular content, do not change that content. Okay, like if they are following you for a quote of the day video, do not change that content. Don't go for a dance video in the next reel, because people are following you for a particular niche. So if you are starting it, continue it. Okay, we have a question from Ranjan. Hashtag related to content works more, or hashtag whose reach is more irrelevant to topic? See, I'll tell you. Basically, those hashtags which have been used a lot will not be of any use. Like hashtag Instagram. These type of hashtags are already having millions of followers, or I should say, millions of posts already uploaded. So your post will not even show up in the recent part, because every millisecond a new content is uploaded with this hashtag. So don't rely on very used hashtags, but you can try out those hashtags which are of mid range. Mid range, I would like to say that those hashtags which are of like which will help people. Like if I am a YouTuber and I am making a reel on YouTube growth, so I will simply write hashtag YouTube growth. So don't think of hashtag to be something which will help you grow. Hashtag is something which will help you find a right audience, or the people who are really interested in your content. Also, we have Harshal's question. Also, what's the secret behind being consistent on reel? Why everyone says so, and how being absent affect your reel performance? I'll tell you for the first question, which is secret behind being consistent. For me, I shoot like 7 to 8 videos in one single day, and it hardly takes 1 hour to shoot so many things. You just need to have some of the topics which are to be written on a diary or something like that, so that you can, just turn on your camera and say the thing and just keep it. While uploading, just edit it with your phone. There's nothing that is needed like a software or something like that. There are a lot of free apps available like InShot or KineMaster. So just upload it. So do not, I would say, do not invest a lot of time in editing or recording your Instagram reels, because it may happen that you may not get like 30 or 40 views. That's it. So do not, spend a lot of time on reels. The next question is why everyone says so, how being absent affect your reels? It affects a lot. I would definitely say be consistent as much as you can. Do not be absent, because The people who are following you want content from you every single day. So if you are absent for even one day, they may leave you because they may think that you are already dead. So just don't try to be absent, because if you are starting something, just continue it. Also, if you are absent, then just announce it to the people that till this date I will be absent, so kindly bear with it. So that would help. Using hashtags of growing people, absolutely right thing. Yeah, I agree. Harshil is asking, and also how many reels a day? One reel a day. Do not overstuff. I would recommend one reel maximum. उससे ज़्यादा करोगे तो कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. So one reel maximum every single day. Also evening के time पे. What do you think is a good number? For me, a good number is a reel getting 2 to 3 thousand views. This is a very good number for me, because if you're having like 500 or 600 followers and you're getting 2,000 or 3,000 views on a reels, that's a lot. What about short IGTV videos versus reel comparison? IGTV will not give you a lot of audience, but I feel that in future IGTV may get converted into like YouTube, which will pay you for uploading videos. So I would just say that be a little active on IGTV, but for now, just focus on reels. Do not focus on any other thing. What about short IGTV videos, which is this is done? Building confidence immediately is not possible. Who just starting uploading videos? Yeah, exactly. See, I have been uploading videos from the last 4 years. So you just need to practice and execute it. Your first video may not be good. Your second video also may not be good. Your last video may also not be good. But with 4 years of practice, I am having this much of confidence. I need more confidence so that I can speak in front of lakhs of people. So just keep shooting, executing, uploading, and show your talent to people. Don't be shy enough. Just upload. That's my thing. And any more question? If no question would be there, then we'll be ending the session in the next 1 minute. Harshil, from my side, thanks for joining the session. Thank you so much, Harshil. So I think that most of the queries or the tips have been given. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining the session. I hope that this session will help you to grow a little bit on Instagram. And that was it for this session. Thank you so much for joining in. I can still see so many people joining in, and that's a very big thing for me, that there are people who just want to listen to what I would say. So that really means a lot. And we have two people typing. So let's see what they have in their box. Thank you for the amazing session. Okay, then. So let's end this session here. So thank you so much, guys, for joining in once again. You all can leave right now.